We live in a continually growing technical world. Businesses have left the industrial world behind and moved forward into the digital age. With that transition, new opportunities are available at the click of a button. They can now be a global supplier of products and services without ever leaving their hometown. Information flies at the speed of light, and real-time communication is possible with instant messaging, video conferencing, and electronic mail. The world is now smaller, and the pace is faster. This increased pace requires increased reliability. Businesses need to count on their technical systems. Computers, servers, printers, and networks must work reliably, but can only do so if maintained properly by a dedicated team of professionals working behind the scenes to make sure everything works as it should, or to repair it quickly if something fails. We all know how much of a disruption it is to have a computer crash or a network go down, only to have to wait for a technician to fix the problem at their convenience. What if you could prevent that from happening? What if your computers could tell you there was a problem before they crashed? What if your network could tell you it wasn't feeling well before it went down? Knowing about a technical problem before it became a disruption would be invaluable. But let's take that one step further. What if you knew about the problem long before it affected your workflow and was automatically fixed without your intervention, or even having to make a phone call? Sound like a fairy tale? Well, Northstar Global can make it your reality. Welcome to Total Care by Northstar Global. Total Care is a service that keeps a careful and vigilant watch over the health of your technology systems. Think of it as an early warning system. Our Total Care platform can detect potential problems that can affect stability, reliability, and even the speed of your systems. When a detection occurs, an alert is sent to our Technical Operations Center, and one of our Total Care specialists takes over. They can immediately evaluate the problem and begin the steps needed to resolve the issue. We understand that you rely on your technology for business, and that's why businesses rely on Total Care by Northstar Global to ensure those systems are up and running. In addition to our proactive approach to maintaining business continuity, you also receive our world-class service, defined by our courteous assistance, competent staff, and exceptionally quick response times. With Total Care by Northstar Global, you're more than just a customer. You are a client. Customers simply trade dollars for products and services. A relationship built with a client requires understanding their uniqueness and allows the Total Care team to properly service their needs. As such, we're dedicated to becoming an integral part of your business for the long term. When you need us, we'll be there. Total Care by Northstar Global puts the power of a complete IT department and technology consulting firm at your fingertips without the expense or hassle of doing it yourself. Have a technical question? Contact us. Thinking about changing how you operate technically and want to know the pros and cons of various choices? Contact us. Need new equipment but aren't sure what best suits your needs? Contact us. No question is too small or too big. Let us do what we do best. You can concentrate on doing what you do best, running your business. Take all of the technical concerns off your mind and hand them over to the technology specialists on your Total Care team. Total Care by Northstar Global, your total business solution.